Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome to Travel Partner Official, your one-stop shop for all things travel. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our exciting travel tips, destination guides, and inspiration. In this video, we're setting sail on a virtual journey to explore the top 5 best European cruise destinations for first-timers. Europe is a treasure trove of history, culture, and breathtaking scenery, and cruising is a fantastic way to experience it all without the hassle of packing and unpacking your bags every few days. So whether you're dreaming of sun-drenched beaches, towering fjords, or ancient ruins, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Our journey begins in the sparkling waters of the Mediterranean, a region rich in history and vibrant cultures. Picture yourself exploring ancient ruins in Rome, enjoying pasta in Italy, or sunbathing on the French Riviera. A Mediterranean cruise offers iconic landmarks and hidden gems. Imagine the Colosseum in Rome or gondolas gliding in Venice. From Marrakesh markets to Greek island beaches, there's something for everyone. Savor Spanish tapas, explore Florence's art, or relax on Mediterranean beaches. Mediterranean cruises offer a variety of itineraries. Choose a Western Mediterranean cruise to visit Barcelona, Rome, and Nice, or an Eastern Mediterranean cruise to explore Greece, Turkey, and Croatia. No matter the itinerary, the Mediterranean's beauty will captivate you. From azure waters to ancient ruins, it's a feast for the senses. Relax on deck and enjoy the incredible views as you sail. Don't miss the stunning Mediterranean sunsets. Whether you're a history buff, foodie, or seeking relaxation, a Mediterranean cruise is unforgettable. The combination of scenery, history, and culture is irresistible. Start planning your Mediterranean adventure today. Create memories that will last a lifetime. Join us next as we explore the breathtaking Norwegian fjords. Get ready to be awestruck by the sheer majesty of the Norwegian fjords, a land sculpted by glaciers over millennia. Imagine towering cliffs plunging into crystal-clear waters, cascading waterfalls, and charming villages nestled along the water's edge. Cruising through the Norwegian fjords is like sailing through a real-life postcard. The scenery is simply breathtaking, with every turn revealing a new and awe-inspiring vista. Keep your camera handy because you won't want to miss a single moment of this natural wonderland. One of the highlights of a Norwegian fjords cruise is the chance to witness the midnight sun. During the summer months, the sun never fully sets, casting an ethereal glow over the already magical landscape. It's an experience you won't soon forget. But the Norwegian fjords are more than just stunning scenery. The region is also home to a rich culture and history. Visit charming villages like Bergen, with its colorful wooden houses, or explore the Viking heritage of Stavanger. For the adventurous traveler, there are plenty of opportunities for hiking, kayaking, and even glacier walking. Imagine exploring these pristine landscapes up close and personal, feeling the spray of a waterfall on your face and breathing in the fresh, crisp air. A Norwegian fjords cruise is a truly unforgettable experience, offering a unique combination of natural beauty, adventure, and cultural immersion. It's a journey that will stay with you long after you've returned home. From the towering cliffs to the charming villages, the Norwegian fjords will leave you speechless. So pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready to experience the magic of this incredible destination. Next, we'll set sail for the Baltic Sea, where history, culture, and stunning scenery await. Chapter 3: Baltic Sea, a tapestry of cultures and history. Our journey continues eastward to the Baltic Sea, a region where history and culture intertwine. A Baltic Sea cruise offers a fascinating blend of medieval cities, charming towns, and stunning natural beauty. Imagine strolling through the cobblestone streets of Tallinn, Estonia, with its well-preserved medieval architecture, or exploring the canals and colorful houses of Copenhagen, Denmark. Each destination on a Baltic Sea cruise has its own unique character and charm. One of the highlights of a Baltic Sea cruise is the chance to visit St. Petersburg, Russia. This grand city is home to some of the world's most iconic landmarks, including the Hermitage Museum with its vast collection of art and artifacts, and the Church of the Savior on Spilled Blood with its colorful onion domes. But the Baltic Sea region is more than just cities. You'll also have the opportunity to explore stunning natural landscapes, like the fjords of Norway and the archipelagos of Finland and Sweden. Imagine kayaking through crystal-clear waters, surrounded by lush forests and rocky islands. A Baltic Sea cruise offers a unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. It's a chance to experience the charm of Scandinavia, the grandeur of Russia, and the history of the Baltic states all in one unforgettable journey. From the medieval streets of Tallinn to the canals of Copenhagen, the Baltic Sea will captivate you with its beauty and diversity. So, get ready to immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of cultures and history that this region has to offer. Next stop, the sun-drenched Greek Isles. Get ready for crystal-clear waters, ancient ruins, and delicious cuisine. Chapter 4, Greek Isles Island, Hopping Through Paradise. Prepare to be enchanted by the beauty of the Greek Isles, a scattering of islands in the Aegean Sea, each with its own unique character and charm. Imagine whitewashed villages perched on cliffs overlooking turquoise waters, ancient ruins bathed in golden sunlight, and delicious Mediterranean cuisine. A Greek Isles cruise is like stepping into a postcard. Whether you're exploring the iconic white houses of Santorini, wandering through the ancient ruins of Delphi, or relaxing on the beaches of Mykonos, you're sure to be captivated by the beauty of this region. One of the great things about a Greek Isles cruise is the chance to experience island life at its finest. Each island has its own unique atmosphere and attractions. You can explore ancient temples, relax on pristine beaches, or indulge in delicious local cuisine. For history buffs, the Greek Isles are a dream come true. Visit the Acropolis in Athens, explore the Minoan Palace of Knossos in Crete, or wander through the ancient ruins of Delos. Each site offers a glimpse into the rich history and mythology of Greece. But the Greek Isles are more than just history. The region is also known for its vibrant culture, delicious cuisine, and friendly locales. Imagine enjoying fresh seafood by the water's edge, sipping ouzo at a local taverna, or dancing the night away under the stars. A Greek Isles cruise is a truly unforgettable experience, offering a perfect blend of history, culture, and relaxation. It's a chance to escape to paradise and create memories that will last a lifetime. From the iconic white houses of Santorini to the ancient ruins of Delphi, the Greek Isles will leave you breathless. So pack your swimsuit, grab your sunglasses, and get ready to experience the magic of this incredible destination. Our final stop takes us to the British Isles, where history, culture, and charm await. Chapter 5, British Isles, a journey through history and culture. Our final destination takes us to the enchanting British Isles, a region steeped in history, culture, and charm. From the rolling green hills of Ireland to the rugged coastlines of Scotland, a British Isles cruise offers a diverse and unforgettable experience. Imagine exploring the historic streets of Dublin, sipping a pint of Guinness in a traditional pub, or marveling at the prehistoric monument of Stonehenge. The British Isles are a treasure trove of historical landmarks and cultural experiences. One of the highlights of a British Isles cruise is the chance to visit Edinburgh, Scotland. This charming city is home to Edinburgh Castle, perched atop an extinct volcano, and the Royal Mile, a historic street lined with shops, pubs, and restaurants. But the British Isles are more than just cities. You'll also have the opportunity to explore stunning natural landscapes like the Scottish Highlands, the Lake District in England, and the cliffs of Moher in Ireland. Imagine hiking through rolling hills, sailing on serene lakes, or simply enjoying the fresh air and breathtaking views. A British Isles cruise offers a unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. It's a chance to experience the charm of England, the rugged beauty of Scotland, and the warmth of Ireland all in one unforgettable journey. From the historic streets of Dublin to the rugged coastlines of Scotland, the British Isles will captivate you with their charm and diversity. So pack your bags, grab your umbrella just in case, and get ready to experience the magic of this incredible destination. We've reached the end of our virtual journey, but the adventure doesn't have to stop here. And there you have it, our top 5 European cruise destinations for first-timers. From the sun-drenched Mediterranean to the rugged beauty of the British Isles, Europe offers a cruise itinerary for every taste and interest. Don't forget to subscribe to Travel Partner Official for more travel tips, destination guides, and inspiration. And be sure to let us know in the comments below which destination you're most excited to explore. Until next time, happy travels!